Welcome to Homeschooling. In this video, I'll be sharing thoughts on the question, is homeschooling legal in Ghana? Homeschooling is the education of school-age children at home and other places other than the traditional school environment. Homeschooling is gradually becoming popular in Ghana, and therefore many may ask, is homeschooling legal in Ghana? Indeed, one of the important things to do when deciding to educate your children at home is to find out if there are specific laws relating to homeschooling in the country you live in. Currently, there are no direct laws or regulations specifically governing homeschooling in Ghana. Homeschooling in Ghana is not directly regulated by specific laws. Even though there are no specific laws on homeschooling in Ghana, there are several laws and regulations related to education that can affect homeschooling practices in Ghana. Some key laws and regulations that may impact homeschooling in Ghana are the following. First, the Constitution of Ghana, in Article 25, guarantees the right to education. It is clearly stated in Article 25 that basic education shall be free, compulsory, and available to all. In Article 28, the article places emphasis on the rights of children, including the right to be protected from neglect and the right to education. The second law that may affect homeschooling practices is the Education Act of 2008, Act 778. This act outlines the structures and regulation of education in Ghana. It mandates compulsory basic education for all children of school-going age, from age 4 to age 15. It places the responsibility on parents to ensure that their children receive an education. The third law that will affect homeschooling practices is the Children's Act, Act 560. The Act promotes and protects the rights of children in Ghana. It emphasizes the right of the child to education and the duty of parents to provide for the education of their children. The last law that do not have a direct relation to education is the Domestic Violence Act of 2007, Act 732. This act aims to protect individuals from domestic violence, including children. Despite not directly related to education, it emphasizes the protection of children's rights and well-being, which can include ensuring that children receive proper education. While homeschooling is not directly regulated in Ghana, it is vital for parents to stay informed about changes in educational policies and to ensure that their homeschooling practices meet general educational standards. I will have a video also on how you can homeschool your children, paying attention to these laws and ensuring that your homeschooling practices is in line with the laws of Ghana. Thank you.